So you guys saw it. he, he, Omobio keeps to his promise. Obio just gave this guy his 5k dollars credited Ghanaian cedis, man. Obio, thank you, Davido, for all you're doing for everybody out there, man. Obio kept to his promise. He promised this guy 2 months ago that he was going to give him this. I think one last month, that was when he did the promise, and he couldn't meet, or maybe probably because of his shadows and the rest. But people have been talking, yeah, he doesn't have money, make empty promises, he doesn't have money to give to this boy. On mobile, no get 5k, doesn't matter, I want bad rich. I just bought a car for over 1 point something billion. So I mean that particular scenario, you know, to put some people to kind of places. Ubi don't be, bro. We love him. We love Ubi. Me personally, yeah, I just like the. I like his lifestyle. I like the way he does his things. You understand? I like the way he pushes his business and everything. Man, Obio is. Man, I really like what Davido is doing, and he has kept his promise. And you know, haters will. We don't have a choice anyway. So we're all in this together. We move. You understand? He has done his part, and the boy is so happy. Okay, imagine what this guy is gonna achieve with that $5,000. He's gonna push his career, except he's somebody that squanders money, but I don't see him as one because I saw a video of him somewhere. So, Obio, thank you for what you've been doing for the society and everything. God bless you for empowering this guy so much. We are happy. Thank you. I love you guys. Drop a follow button, a comment, and share this video. Thank you guys.